In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning, mobile-friendly website using Canva. Canva is a versatile tool that makes website design accessible to everyone, regardless of your level of expertise. By the end of this guide, you'll walk away with a professional-looking and fully functional site that looks great on both desktop and mobile platforms. To get started, open Canva on your browser. Canva's user-friendly interface will greet you, making it a breeze to navigate. Once you're in, head over to the search bar and type website. This will allow you to hone in on resources specifically tailored for website creation. As you search you'll be presented with an array of beautifully designed templates. Whether you're looking for something minimalist, vibrant, or professional, there's an option for every taste and purpose. Feel free to browse through these templates and choose the one that speaks to your style and needs. Once you've spotted the perfect fit, go ahead and select it. Now comes the fun part, customizing the template to make it truly yours. Click on Customize this template, which will open the Canva editor. This is where your creative journey truly begins. You have the freedom to alter text, images, colors, and other design elements until the website mirrors your vision and brand. Once your edits are complete, it's crucial to ensure that your site provides a seamless experience for mobile users. After all, a significant number of visitors will likely view it on their smartphones. To do this, your next step is to click Preview. This will give you a sneak peek of how your website will look when it's live, but just previewing it isn't enough. It's critical to optimize it for smaller screens. Go ahead and make sure that the Resize on Mobile feature is checked. It's a handy tool that adjusts your design elements proportionally to fit the dimensions of most mobile devices, ensuring a consistent and visually appealing experience. With that box ticked, it's time for a thorough inspection. Scroll through your website from top to bottom to ensure every component, from images to text, remains visible and well aligned. If you spot any discrepancies or elements that aren't perfectly displayed, fret not. You can make adjustments right in the editor, repositioning or resizing as necessary to maintain a clean and professional appearance. And just like that, you've crafted a mobile-friendly website using Canva. You've successfully navigated through the design choices, examined its mobile compatibility, and adjusted the layout as needed. Now you're ready to share your creation with the world, confident that it will look fantastic on any device. Thank you for watching and happy designing.